YouTube! What's good with y'all boys, man? I hope y'all having a swell day. A swell day. Today, man, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to use y'all paddle shifters, because I know some of y'all don't know how to use them motherfuckers. So I'm gonna be the one to teach y'all. Like, I ain't never drove a Hellcat, so I don't know if this, like, I mean, it should be the same concept for Hellcats, because, but you might be able to get up to like a higher RPM than what I'm talking about. So for the most part, this is for RTs and Scat Packs. I believe GTs have fucking paddle shifters too, but I don't think anybody really using paddle shifters. There's a fucking fly in my car, bro, and it's low-key pissing me off. I don't even know how the fuck this thing got in here. Damn, this nigga gonna piss me off, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this fly gonna piss me the fuck off. I'd rather have a gnat in my car than a fly, I ain't gonna lie to you. But I'm gonna turn my black ass around. I can't really turn around right here, but what the fuck going on there? Y'all see that shit, bro? Niggas is wildin'. I ain't gonna lie, that's a hard cat. Oh, that's not a cat, that's a scat. That motherfucker look clean, why everybody scat? I don't think it's really a crash, so I don't think it's a crash. It's just one of those situations, nigga car probably broke the fuck down. But yeah, man, damn. What the fuck? What's going on today? Now it's a cat. Damn, I guess I'm in the right spot today. I'm just seeing everybody at this point. I seen a cat, and then it's RT right here. What else we missing? We missing a GT. Bro, if a GT come down the street, bro, I'm gonna think something wilding out. Somebody tripping. But I believe it should be the same thing for GTs. I don't know. I think they come all-wheel drive. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I really don't know. I don't know about GTs, but if it is the same thing for GTs, then I helped y'all out. Oh, they crashed. Damn. How you get pulled over? It's a whole crash right there. You getting pulled over. Ain't that some shit? Cause I'm gonna go to the freeway so I can teach y'all on the freeway. Cause it's better for me to do it on the freeway. If y'all see me trying to catch this fly, bro, leave me alone. I'm gonna do it on the freeway because it's easier for me to do it on the freeway. Not less traffic, but it's less likely for me to have to stop if I do it on the freeway. So I'm probably gonna go up to 4th gear. I'm gonna show y'all only up to 4th gear for my personal reasons. Is that a GT? I'm dead. There's something going on. What the fuck is going on? Hey, yo. But I'm gonna show y'all all the way up to 4th gear, because I don't want to go that fucking fast. I'm gonna go, enough to let y'all get the concept type shit. I'm gonna end up cutting this to where I'm about to get on the freeway, and that's where I'm gonna go from there. We're gonna start from there. Other than that, let's get this video started. All right, YouTube, so I am back. I actually thought about it. I'm gonna start off with downshifting first, and then I'm gonna go to upshifting, right? So when you first start off, you actually want to put your car in automatic, and you want to know when your car is shifting by itself. So right now, automatic, my car shifts every time at 2,500 RPMs, right? So right now it's gonna shift, right? So what you want to do is you want to learn when your car shifts. So if I do a pull right now, right, it's gonna shift at 5,500 RPMs, right? Which is what you want to find out. So that's what you really want to do. The first step of doing everything, you want to find out when your car shifts and when it doesn't shift, so you can know exactly when to shift. You don't want to be redlining your car. You don't want to shift too early, stuff like that. So you want to start off with knowing when your car shifts. My car downshifts every, 10 miles per hour, right? So I go down 10 miles per hour, it shifts by itself. So when I'm trying to slow down, I'm trying to save brakes, or I'm just trying to sound cool when I'm pulling to a meet or something, right? I start off with gas, a little gas and a downshift, right? A little bit more gas, downshift, right? Which gives it that roar effect, right? When you're downshifting, right? You want to start slowing down. Let's say this light is red. Hit your gas. Well, hit your brake, hit your thing, and then it'll go down. It'll start slowing down. And then right about now, I can hit a downshift, but I'm not trying to do that, right? Right? So that's how you downshift. You just hit the negative button. You figure out when you can shift. The car does tell you when you can't shift at a certain spot. It will definitely tell you. So if I try to go down to a gear that I'm not supposed to go to, it will say shift not allowed, right? So it does stop you from doing that in automatic. If you're a manual, I really don't know, because don't be the one that experiment in that situation. First gear for me is within 0 to is 30 miles per hour. That's when I can hit my first gear. 35 to, I want to say about, I think it's 50 miles per hour is the highest I've went in that type of situation. And then so on and so forth, right? So on to upshifting. So if you are on the track or you're doing a roll race, something like that, all this stuff should be done on a track. Don't do this on public streets. So if you are doing a roll race and the person you are going to be racing is right on the side of you, so on and so forth, what you want to do is you want to hold the negative downshifter, right? So it will put you in the lowest gear that it can. So right now I'm going 54 miles per hour, right? I can't go no lower gear than that. So it will stay in that gear until you're ready to race. So, honk, honk, honk. And then you shift from there, right? And that's how you do your shifting. You downshift if you don't need the gear, so on and so forth. You just keep going up and up and up. Always shift your car at 5,500 RPMs. You can also shift it. If you want to shift early, I wouldn't recommend shifting early, because you lose power the higher you go. Not lose power, but you lose that momentum the higher you go in RPMs. So you never want to shift early. So you get to your lowest gear, you hit the gas, you shift at 5,500 RPMs, you keep going from there. You want to downshift, you downshift, you let it go a little bit downer, go a little bit more down, you hit it again. Go a little bit more down, which I'm hitting the gas right now because I'm trying to get over. Hit a little bit more, you downshift again, right? So on and so forth, right? It's easy, it's not that hard, it's not complicated. You just figure out what times you can shift and what times you can't shift. So right now I can, right? So on and so forth. And you go from there. So downshifting, hit the brake, you get that effect, keep going, boom, right? You go from there. And that's how you shift. It's not that hard. I can really teach y'all how to upshift, really, if you're trying to be like a normal person. I'll put it in a manual for y'all so y'all can see, because you really don't want to redline your car for real. So if I'm trying to drive like a normal person, I would shift now, right? If I'm trying to race, you know, yada, 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 I shift higher than that, right? That's from a dig. I'm downshifting. I let it get to about 31. I could downshift again, and now I'm in first gear. All right. Still in first gear. I can get it to 5,500 RPMs. Shift. So on and so forth. So it's not really that hard. And if you fuck up the shift, if you're going too early, it won't let you. The car will not let you go into a gear. I really hope it's not going to let you go to a gear, but my car prevents that. It won't let you go to a gear that you cannot go into if you're going too fast for that gear. It will not let you go. So that is how you use your paddle shifters. If you have any more questions, please comment down below. And I have no problem helping you guys. There's always, good. There's no question is a bad question. And also there is one more thing about downshifting, if y'all really want to know. So say if you come into a situation and you wanna sound like one of them YouTubers, you're in a cat or some shit, you wanna hear the whine or something, you wanna just, do the perfect downshifts. You're not really feathering the gas, but like you hit gas. It's called I forgot what the fuck it's called, but people in manual cars do it all the time. You hit the gas a little bit and you downshift. I think it's rev matching. I think that's what it's called. So you hit the gas and you downshift at the same time, and then boom, you go from there. And that's how you get the effect of that like it sounds like that. It sounds better in scats and Hellcats. There's a major difference between how it sounds in different cars. In the RT, that's how it sounds. And also, you can also look cool. If you want to look cool in front of a girl, you get this, type shit. But that is how you use the paddle shifters. Any more questions, drop it down in the comments below. And like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.